Number 10.
Monk parakeet. While some people find monk parakeets cute, others may consider them less attractive due to their green plumage and distinctive facial markings.
Number 9.
Northern bald ibis. As its name suggests, the northern bald ibis lacks feathers on its head and neck, giving it an unusual and less appealing appearance.
Number 8.
Black vulture. The black vulture, with its bald head, dark plumage, and scavenging habits, may not be considered conventionally beautiful.
Number 7.
Greater adjutant. This large stork has a wrinkled neck, bare head, and a large bill, contributing to its less aesthetically pleasing appearance.
Number 6.
Southern cassowary. The southern cassowary has a large casque on its head and a bright blue neck, which may be seen as unattractive to some.
Number 5.
Andean condor. Similar to the California condor, the Andean condor has a bald head and wrinkled skin, which some people find unattractive.
Number 4.
Showbill. The showbill's unique shape, resembling a shoe or clog, and intense gaze contribute to its distinct, and for some, unattractive appearance.
Number 3.
Turkey vulture. The bald red head and wrinkled skin of the turkey vulture can make it appear unappealing to some.
Number 2.
Marabou stork. With its bald head, long bill, and drooping neck feathers, the marabou stork is frequently described as one of the ugliest birds in the world.
Number 1.
California condor. Known for its bald head, wrinkled skin, and large size, the California condor is often seen as one of the less attractive bird species.